There we go. Sorry, the microphone was not on. But what is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. I hope everybody is doing well. Finally back from vacation. So good to see everyone. I hope everybody is enjoying their week and weekend. And man, oh man, a lot has changed in the last week since I have been MIA. I know I was able to upload videos, but I apologize. Again, I was on the road. Flew to visit some family out in California. Now we're back. So yeah, let's talk about all the things that have occurred in the last week and kind of the future direction for our favorite cryptocurrency, which of course is Shiba Inu. Welcome everybody in the chat. Holy moly, the chat is on fire. So good to see everybody. We got Marcelino. What it do, my man? Doing well. We got Trina. How are you, Trina? Hope you're doing good. Oh man. Lots of people in the chat. So exciting to see everyone. So excited and exciting because honestly, it's been a little while since we've done a live stream that's very interactive. So I thought, although it's literally nearly midnight, just got off the plane, came home, unpacked, hung out for just a few minutes and basically decided to come right on. So let's go ahead and talk about the future direction for Shiba Inu, because lately, the price action has just been not it. It's not doing what we were expecting, especially after the listing on Coinbase Pro, this platform. So as you guys saw, the overall cryptocurrency market is undergoing, they're talking about the gold cross right now for Bitcoin and other crypto assets. It's undergoing a correction. For the last week or so, if you guys look at Bitcoin's price action, it's been significantly declining as well. So after the huge sell-off that we saw on September 7th, for Shiba Inu, the same thing. September 7th, it literally was mirroring Bitcoin's price action. But since then, Bitcoin has kind of been consolidating, a little bit of downward trajectory. But for Shiba Inu, of course, there was a huge catalyst that came about that shot us all the way up to 780 Satoshi units. But then again, unfortunately, it did not hold steady. So a lot of different there's a lot of people speculating and different opinions here and there. But regardless, there are some big things that we need to pay attention to in terms of the next month, 2 months, 3 months, and through the end of the year here in 2021. Because again, for me, I still am extremely bullish on this crypto asset. I really can foresee some significant price action between now and the end of the year. Because again, I don't think that the bull cycle for the overall crypto market has come to an end, right? So that's the big thing that we need to pay attention to is what does the overall crypto market look like, and where are we headed between now and the end of 2021. So let's go ahead and discuss some of the things that we are looking forward to. First and foremost, I really like this article. James McNeil, yes, I am back. Look at this, man. The chat is going insane. Toshi is shy. How are you doing, my man? I hope everybody is doing well. Nadir Abdul Basir, hey man, how are you? Heavy Metal Chief. Shannon C, man, elite members on deck today. Let's go Pop a Zero. Pop a Zero, I like it. Little play on words. All right, but let's go ahead. You guys know how much I like FX Street. I love FX Street, and again, the technical analysis that they follow. But right here, as of today, September 11th, there was this article that came out that talked about experts predict Shiba Inu will rally by 85% towards 13, so 1,300 Satoshi units. So let's go ahead and kind of look into this and see why people think that Shiba Inu does have that 85% upside in the short term. Where should I keep myself? Down here, maybe. Kind of hanging out way down there. Vibi Vargas, my man. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat. I appreciate your support. He said, what up, your pop? Stay positive, ignore the FUDDers, and remember, this is a long-term investment. Patience can make you a millionaire. Vibi Vargas, man. As it says right there, that I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the place that I am in, SHIB Army. And I know for a lot of you guys, it's just that. I know a lot of people are starting to understand and having that investor mentality. A lot of people. I'm so proud of a lot of people on this channel because coming in, most they told me, most would end up selling for a loss or not hold, throughout times of consolidation or downward trends. So for me, it's, as you said there, patience is going to be key. Patience will absolutely be key. So that's all we've been doing. But let's disseminate this. So, Shiba Inu's Coinbase listing find relief as the exchange announces SHIB order books are live. You guys saw that on Twitter. Let's pull up Twitter quick here to actually have that on the side. Twitter is literally, I think, like cryptocurrency's newsfeed, if you will. Oh, this is kind of cool. But anywho, we'll go ahead and dive into this in just a second. But let's go ahead and look into that. So you guys know Coinbase Pro did list Shiba Inu this week. And that was something that was absolutely huge. Really, really big for us as investors that have been anticipating that relisting. It took them 3 months. June 6th till September 7th or 8th it was where they relisted SHIB. That is the longest turnaround time for any brokerage to delist and relist a crypto asset. So we're a first. With Shiba Inu, it was a first there. And again, guys, a lot of these articles still consider us a meme coin. The meme coin continues to trade nearly 81% below its all-time high from 4 months ago. So you guys know, if we look at the price action for Shiba Inu, if we look at the 1 year chart at this point, at 3,600 Satoshi, and it's back on May 9th, 2021. So literally 4 months ago, we were at all-time highs. And the prediction right now for a lot of individuals in terms of, after the Coinbase listing, official Coinbase platform. Right now, we're just on Coinbase Pro. Don't forget that. But when we get officially listed on Coinbase's main platform, what we're anticipating is a decent upside swing. So again, going up to 13 to 1,400 Satoshi units from 683 that we're at right now. That's kind of what we're again, assuming based off previous patterns and the technical analysis trends. So again, 13 to 1,400. That's a 2x between now and then. But let's go back and continue reading about this article. Analysts expect a breakout. SHIB is likely to resume an uptrend from 850 Satoshi units. So guys, one thing that a lot of people are not realizing is if you're looking at what these whales are doing, right? And shout out to Milkshake, always keeping us informed about what's going on. But if we scroll down right here, did you guys see what happened earlier today? An Ethereum whale bought 202 billion SHIB tokens, $1.4 million worth. People with that kind of money investing into crypto assets are individuals who don't only do their research and due diligence. These are guys that might have insider info. These are the guys that might know what's going to happen in the near term, the near short-term future. So when you see this, and I told you guys, if you go back on my videos, there's one thing that I warned everybody from. And I told you guys there's one thing that we as investors need to make sure that we do. So let me just scroll back down just to show you guys how long. It's probably been over a month now. Right around here. Where was it? Right here. Shiba Inu whales are getting ready to enter. This was literally from maybe in July 17, 2021. I made a video called Shiba Inu whales are getting ready to enter and our time is now. That was back in July 17th. And we've been at the same price point since then. But now we're starting to see one whale, two whale, multi-millionaires coming into the space and investing into Shiba Inu's cryptocurrency. So, what does that mean? When whales start to enter, make sure you guys understand there's potential for two different things. Either manipulation can occur, right? And that's when we'll start seeing unfortunate downtrends when good sentiments are released or good news is released. Or we'll start seeing significant uptrend without any news at all. And then again, people will end up taking profits and making the retail investor lose. So each and every one of you need to be extremely careful when it comes to looking at whale stats or looking at bigger whales that are investing into the space. For me, with all the things that we know are up and coming, especially with Coinbase's main platform listing, SHIB, and other short-term catalysts that are on the way, because we know Shibarium and everything like that, that layer 2 blockchain, having our own blockchain is going to invite. It's going to be very inviting to the retail investor. Because right now, if you go on ShibaSwap and you try to buy yourself, I don't know why I just went on Shiba token, but let's just go that way. If you go on ShibaSwap and you try to swap yourself some SHIB today, even if you wanted to buy 5 million Shiba Inu tokens, do you know how much fees you'd have to pay? A ridiculous amount. You're paying more in fees than the actual cryptocurrency that you're buying sometimes. So that's not very inviting to the retail investor. It's not telling them, hey, come on in, invest into the space. It's really not. So we're missing out on a big pool of investors. And until that issue is addressed with the Ethereum gas fees, we're not going to see Shiba Inu reach its full potential. So guess what? That's why I'm super duper excited about, you guys know what it is, Shibarium. And I think that is going to be the next big thing for us. But between then and now, what we need to focus on for sure is the exchange listings and the overall sentiment around our crypto asset. There's been a lot of drama. I've seen a lot of different things going on around Twitter, around different platforms, and it's been, kind of disappointing, unfortunately. But as the fudders FUD, let them spread around that fear, uncertainty, and doubt as much as they want. But again, only time will tell who is correct. Because, by all means, you guys know, I've been humbled many times when things didn't go the way that I anticipated them to. But thankfully, more often than not, I should say, things have been pretty spot on lately for a lot of different investments, including for Saitama. Saitama, things have been going really well, and congratulations to everyone there who's been investing and taking profits off the top from their investment there, because we've gained over 300% in the last, week or two? So again, not very inviting to buy with the current Ethereum gas fees that are plaguing the entire ERC20 token space. So for Shiba Inu and other tokens alike, Leash, Bone, Saitama, Ryoshi, all these other ERC20s, it's not the best time to invest in them because of these fees. So let's go back to the experts' opinions. So Shiba Inu is set to make a comeback from the flash crash. Following the meltdown in May 2020, the overall cryptocurrency market began its recovery, and the altcoin rally extended to Shiba Inu. From July to mid-August, SHIB rallied over 50%, which was phenomenal. You guys remember that. However, since then, the token has posted consistent losses for holders, which is frustrating and upsetting. I directly empathize with you as an investor in this crypto asset. The world's second largest crypto exchange, Coinbase, announced SHIB's listing, and the resurgence in this token's price can be considered through the Coinbase effect, as the enthusiasm of Shiba Inu holders and traders was short-lived. Coinbase Pro announced earlier that it started accepting orders for SHIB USD and SHIB USDT. That was on September 10th, of course. So remember, guys, the Coinbase Pro platform is strictly for those who are paying members of the Coinbase app. So with that being said, the investors are not in yet. If you guys look at, historically speaking, look at Solana, look at anything in terms of timetable, when it gets listed on Coinbase Pro, typically price action is not significantly impacted. When it gets listed on the main platform, Coinbase, which usually follows about a day or two after the Pro platform lists, that's when we typically see that significant upward trend. And I told you guys, one thing that I hoped and wished for was the good news that Coinbase is listing Shiba Inu on a day that the overall market was rallying and green. But you can have your own opinion on this. Is it manipulation? Is it insider info? Is it people trying to capitalize on as much gains as possible? Because they waited to announce Shiba Inu's relisting on a day it dropped significantly to 590 Satoshi units, where it's been holding. Again, we know that's been a significant level of support for how long now? For quite some time. If we look at the price action, you guys know I made a video about this specifically. But if we look through and just go back, look at this. The 3 times that we sold off 620 Satoshis was actually 570. And then June 20th, 622. And then July 19th, 588. And if we scroll into more to the last 7 days, look what happened. Literally where Shiba Inu, the day that it bottomed, reached that, low level of support, that's when we saw it bounce off of that. And when the news was announced. You can have your own opinion. I thought it was kind of strange, but hey, could be wrong. But regardless, the fact is that I'm not too worried about this, because again, that's just the Coinbase Pro listing, and now we're awaiting the official Coinbase listing. Let's keep going. The crash on September 7th had led to nearly a 30% drop in SHIB's price in a single day, which was one of the most significant corrections we have seen for Shiba Inu in quite some time, actually. The Coinbase listing announcement acted as a catalyst for the token's recovery on the following day. A boost in price accompanied SHIB's debut on the exchange, and analysts expected the altcoin to make a comeback to 1,300 Satoshi units. That's 4 zeros, guys. So eating a zero, getting to 1,300 Satoshi units. On-chain indicators for SHIB suggest a bullish trend reversal in the token. The number of large transactions worth 100,000 or higher has increased over the past week. Whales are coming into the space. Whales are coming into the space. Based on data from blockchain intelligence platform Into the Block, a total of $830.89 million in large value transactions were processed on SHIB's network. The indicator measures the aggregated daily volume of transactions greater than $100,000, reflecting large wallet investor activity. That's what will truly end up impacting Shiba Inu's price action. Because of the gas fees for us, as retail investors, we're affected by them. But whales that have, again, millions and millions and millions of dollars to invest, they're not too worried about it. So there might be now a wave after Coinbase's official listing, which will happen next week on Monday or Tuesday, is my prediction. Usually happens about a couple days after the pro listing. We're going to see significant price jump because, again, the bigger whales will come in. Between now, these exchange listings, and end of year when Shibarium is released and live, that's when, again, in my opinion, we'll start seeing a lot of the retail investor wave come back into Shiba Inu, the small dogs. Because again, those are the ones that truly can impact the overall cryptocurrency volume and volatility. Yes, whales are important to have. Yes, big investors will support a crypto asset over time. But when we see retail investors coming into a space, look at any stock and any crypto asset. The only time you see significant price action, exponential price action or exponential movement is when the retail investors are getting into them. And right now, it hasn't been very, very attractive because of these dang gas fees. And I'm with you. I've been so hesitant. Shout out to the 3 people who, by the way, Bree, John Messino, and James McNeil are my 3 winners for Saitama. I did a 300 billion Saitama giveaway, which equates to about $750 from a stream that we did, which I'm definitely going to be doing more, by the way. So shout out to the elite members. You guys are all going to be a part of that. That's what we did last time for the ones that joined us on the live stream. But regardless, the fact is, it took me over a week to find a time to finally send the Saitama to their wallets. Literally over a week. It was last weekend they won, and it wasn't given. Was it even last weekend? Maybe it was the weekend. Regardless, it's been a really long time before I was able to pay them, because $70 to $100 fees were literally, it wasn't going to happen. I was like, sending $250 and paying $100 to send it, that's not very realistic or reasonable. So thank you to the 3 of you for understanding and kind of being patient with me. In the future, I'll try to be a lot better with giveaways, because again, that was my first time doing it. But thankfully, they all received their winnings. So congratulations to each and every one of you. So anywho, guys, the 85% upward trend, in my opinion, is imminent. We'll see what happens at the beginning of next week, because that's when I think we're going to start seeing significant price jumps. And again, that's kind of what I've just been anticipating. So a little bit, my 2 cents, if you will, for SHIB and Shiba Inu. Now, what questions do you guys have? Someone said earlier, who was that? Someone asked about Satoshi Saturday. Shannon C. There is Satoshi Saturday, Shannon. So for the last 2 weeks, I was traveling to California, and I just flew back today. I just got back home. So now that I'm actually more stable and staying here for the foreseeable future for the next few months, no travels, we're going to get Satoshi Saturdays back live to answer all your guys' questions. So make sure you guys are coming with the questions. I'll start making, dedicated Twitter posts to ask said questions, and then we can send them over to Satoshi. And then this coming Saturday, not today, but next Saturday, we'll schedule it again, and hopefully we'll do a live where we can answer all your guys' questions from the community right back to you all. So that'll be very, very soon. When will be the Robinhood listing? I don't know if you guys saw Robinhood listing here. Robinhood listing SHIB. This article from IB Times. I don't know if you guys saw this. So again, more speculative, but let's go ahead and look. Shiba Inu loaded on Robinhood app, announcement to be made soon about listing. Now, International Business Times is not an official media outlet, right? But regardless, the fact is that there was some information from Del Crypto. If you guys don't know who Del Crypto is, he's from Twitter, and the man lately has been pretty spot on a lot of things. So it looks like, again, he's an analyst. He considers himself an analyst. He talked about the whole WEBULL thing before it happened. So it seems like, again, he just has some sort of insider info here and there. Now, what does that look like for Robinhood? Robinhood, again, according to Del Crypto, insider info. So this is nothing official. So he's been told that SHIB is loaded and ready to be released on Robinhood app system, and it has been for some time now. So earlier this morning, I made a video regarding this. And an inner office debate has begun regarding Coinbase Pro forcing their hand. So it looks like, again, I told you guys, what did I say? Literally, things happened exactly how it was kind of expected. This is what it is. WEBULL, a centralized brokerage, listed SHIB. That puts pressure on these other brokerages to follow, because hundreds of thousands of people utilized WEBULL's platform. I don't know if you guys saw the statistics, but over 100,000 people put Shiba Inu on their watch list immediately after WEBULL listed them. Immediately. So guys, when we start looking at these kind of things, I said Coinbase will follow immediately, which they did literally within a week. Coinbase relisted, and now Robinhood is going to also look into listing SHIB. So it could be as soon as next week. It could take another 2 weeks. Who knows exactly timeline wise. You guys know Robinhood plays their games. They're not responsive. So for me, it's access, which should excite us as investors, but it's not as exciting. So it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Again, it's just all about time, and it's all about where we are headed from here. So for Robinhood, wake up. I made that video confronting. Maybe I should do a video confronting Robinhood, because you guys remember, literally, how long ago was that? 1 week ago, I made this video confronting Coinbase on Shiba Inu. This one right here. Do you guys remember this video? For those of you who watched it, I was talking directly to the camera, speaking to Coinbase. This was September 1st. I don't know if they watched it or not, but it got traction. I know it was all over Twitter, and Coinbase listed soon after. So maybe I should do one called Confronting Robinhood on Shiba Inu listing. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section or even in the live chat. That'd be fun. I really enjoyed making that video, actually, so we could definitely look into it. But lots of upside potential, and I'm excited to see what the future has in store. And again, congratulations, side note, to all the Saitama holders. Saitama has been on absolute fire overall the last week. This was a weird little glitch spike there, but if we look at the month chart, up significantly. And we'll see what happens with SideMask's release around the corner. We'll see what happens for this crypto asset. All excitement. All right, let's see what the chat has to say. 438 people on at midnight. SHIB Army never sleeps. The SHIB Army never sleeps. Vivi Vargas, no FUD channel. Absolutely, my brother. Absolutely. Shannon C says smash that like button. Yes, if you have not already, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get this video out to more people. Let's get this video out to more people for sure. One other thing that I didn't even mention is, I know folks, especially the retail investors, it's been hard. We haven't been able to buy Shiba Inu because of the gas fees. So one way to mitigate that, if you're, Nadir Abdul Basir, thank you so much for the $10 super chat, my brother. Yes, Pop, let's wake Robinhood up. I got you, Nadir. Khalas. It's a done deal. We're gonna do it. I'll make that video probably tomorrow morning then. Get it out, confronting Robinhood. Let's see what they respond with. Hopefully they respond. I just want an answer, that's all. So thank you so much, Nadir, for the $10, and Vivi Vargas also dropping a $10 super chat. Appreciate you guys' support so much, SHIB Army. I really do. Now, WEBULL. There's a link in the description. You guys know I always talk about it. Right in the description below, there's a link down there for WEBULL. So you can get 2 free stocks. when you deposit 1 penny, 1 penny into your Webull brokerage account. So go ahead, take advantage, deposit your 1 cent. And with those 2 free stocks, it could be valued up to $2,300. And in addition, you could trade Shiba Inu now on Webull free of gas fees. You guys know I retweeted recently, but if you guys go on, and this is also why I'm excited with Coinbase and other brokerages listing SHIB, is the 0 gas fee. There's no gas fees on there. So if you're someone that's been worried and trying to get in, but you can't because of the gas fees, you guys saw Webull officially listed SHIB on their brokerage, and you can trade Shiba at $1 minimum now utilizing it. So I have a few friends of mine who refuse to use crypto exchanges, but they know how much I love talking about Shiba Inu, so they all started buying on Webull and other centralized brokerages. So now we want to see Robinhood up next, hopefully ASAP, because look what happened with Dogecoin. When it got listed on Robinhood, a lot of the retail investors got into Dogecoin through Robinhood, not through Coinbase, not through any of these other dexes. So that's why we should all be excited about these centralized brokerage listings. Let's see what else you guys got for me in the chat. Again, 1 cent to 3 to 5 years. Marcelino. Hey man, all I can say is the short and long term future, I am super bullish, and I don't even want to put a ceiling or a cap. With token burn, the utility burns, all the different catalysts, Shiba World potentially on the way. Do you guys know what that's going to do for this crypto asset? You guys know how IGOs are going, the initial game offerings. Those are going literally nuts, going crazy. So hey, when someone says 1 cent, I say it's possible. Heavy Metal Chef, thank you so much for the $5 super chat as well. Would give more, but I need it for gas fees. Hey man, no, really just you being here is what matters to me. The fact that you're here and joining the SHIB Army for a late night talk, talking about the future direction, where we're headed, that's all that truly matters, my friend. So I appreciate your support, your additional support, but again, you just being here is what means the world to me. So thank you all so much. Chill with the spamming, says Shannon. Let me go ahead and slow the chat down. Let me put slow mode on. I always forget to do that. I need to just make it a habit. As soon as I go live, slow mode. Here we go. Customization, slow mode, 25 seconds. There we go. Slow mode is now activated. Did he say Shiba Inu is going to Robinhood? Andre Williams. They have not, it's nothing official. Right now from this Business Insider article, there is, again, just some insider info from Dell Crypto, who's been pretty spot on lately. But the fact is that there's some information that Shiba Inu is loaded and ready to be released on the Robinhood app. But after the Coinbase Pro listing, it seems like maybe they're going to do it sooner than they even anticipated. So that could be as soon as next week. We don't have really a timeline. And again, the big thing is it's a rumor. And I always say buy the rumor, sell the news if you want to make maybe some easy money. Not financial advice, but just kind of my 2 cents. What happened with Coinbase Pro? So after Coinbase Pro listed SHIB, there was a huge issue with price, if you guys saw. So a lot of people, as soon as some people took advantage, but they transferred their tokens, their SHIB tokens, directly to Coinbase Pro's platform because it was like at a 400% premium. Somehow, some way, there was a glitch in the system. So people would do that, sell for a significant gain, and again, that kind of just threw a lot of things off. So they had to block off, and I doubt people got to keep those gains. I'm sure they had to redistribute or roll back. They did something to correct it, but regardless, the fact is that that's what started, and then I think that from there they had to edit a couple things to make sure that it doesn't just stay on there. Because again, if you just literally took your tokens from your Coinbase wallet, put it into Coinbase Pro, you made 400% gains. So there was a glitch, and then they disabled trading for a little bit. Disabled transfers for a little bit, but now everything is back to working as far as I know. Let's just go on Coinbase Pro here. Coinbase Pro. Yeah, September 10th. Our SHIB USD and SHIB USDT order books are now in full trading mode. Limit, market, and stop orders are now all available. So everything is good and live as of right now. Yep, exactly. So now all we're waiting for is the official Coinbase platform listing, which as of right now, there's nothing, I believe. Yep. Yeah, RGT and XYO were listed on Coinbase. What happened to their price action? Anyone see that? That's something that I'm always interested in. What is it? RGT. Governance token. What day were they listed on Coinbase? Just to see what happened more recently. September 10th. September 10th. Let's see, 7 days. Oh, wow. Something. Let's see. $13 up to about 25% gain after the Coinbase listing. Nothing too significant. But it looks like more recently this token has been on absolute fire. So there's one, and then XYO is the other one. XYO network. Let's go check that out. Also recently listed just a couple days ago on Coinbase's platform. $41 million market cap. So what happened here? What day was that listed as well? September 10th. So it probably went from what, 19 cents to where is it at now? 50 cents. That's a significant jump. But one thing you guys also have to realize are these crypto assets that are listed on Coinbase. Pay attention to their market cap, guys. 633 million. So if it was, less than half of that, so it was less than 25 cents before the listing. 20 cents, 20 cents. So it was pretty much 250% gains. So again, the market cap was probably around what, 200 and some million. There's more upside potential. For Shiba Inu, we're sitting at a $2.7 billion market cap. So going up by 30 or 40%, that'd be very impressive still. Even a 50% swing, right? And 50% gain of $1.2 billion getting injected into this ecosystem, that'd be absolutely fantastic. And where would that put us? At a $3.8 billion market cap because we have to take into account burn and everything. But people again are estimating. I think 1,300 might be a little bit high for the short term. But again, getting to 1,000 Satoshis, I think that's very, very doable and possible. CMD says, but limit sell is not working, says unavailable. A limit sell order. Well, was that one of the things that they listed though? Limit, market, and stop orders are now available. Huh. Limit sell orders. Limit, market, and stop orders. Well, it says that it is, so I'm not sure what's going on. You definitely have to see. You can also contact their support, CMD, because according to, again, their official website, it says that it's live. So not sure exactly why that is though. It's very strange for sure. But yeah, guys, again, looking forward to seeing the overall crypto market go on its rally again. And I'm hoping we see significant. Regular Coinbase shows the error, says Heavy Metal Chef. Okay, that makes some sense. So yeah, again, looking forward to seeing the overall cryptocurrency market rally. I hope we see some significant price action, because if we do, then we'll see Shiba Inu follow. Because now what you guys are gonna notice now is Shiba Inu is gonna be closely following a lot of the main crypto assets. So if they're rallying, Shiba Inu will also rally at a more significant pace. Pay attention to Cardano as well. Side note, you guys know what's going on. Cardano smart contracts launch date. The hard fork, Gojin smart contracts. Let's see, when is the date? Anyone have the exact date? Some of you probably do, but this is the crypto that I'm looking at very closely for the next little while, for sure. Let me see here. September 12th. So literally today. Yep. So for all Cardano holders, yep. The digital currency network Cardano is 2 days away from the upcoming hard fork, which is literally going to happen today because it's after midnight. It's expected to see functional smart contracts. So one thing I want to tell everybody though, be extremely careful because there's a lot of manipulation that can happen on days good news launches. Oftentimes we'll see that because people buy the rumor or buy the news. No, not even buy the news. I don't know what I'm saying. It's 12:30 at night. Regardless, a lot of times what we see is often we'll see a lot of selling of the news. That's what I meant to say. So kind of pay attention. If you're an investor in Cardano, keep a close eye on this for the next 12 to 24 hours. There's going to be some manipulation going on. We might see a significant downtrend. It's very possible on days like this. So we'll see. It could also push up all the way back to its all-time high, which is at $3.10. So I can see this happening, but soon after that, it could snap back right down. A big shout out to Abu Habiba. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat, man. He said, hey, you said SHIB crashed 80 to 90% on Coinbase, but if you hold that candle on the app, it will show you that it went down 655% in that one candle. Please do the math. Also, is 10 billion coins enough? Thanks, bro. Abu Habiba. 10 billion coins. Holy smokes, man. That's a lot more than I have. And I'm very happy with my position. My goal was to get to 1 billion personally. But hey, if you can do more, do more. If you could do more, my friend. But again, it's not that SHIB crashed on Coinbase. That's not necessarily what happened. There was a glitch in the system that made Shiba Inu's price a lot higher than it actually was in terms of where its true market value. So, on the application itself, if you opened up the chart or if you opened up the price, it would say it was at, whatever, 4,000 Satoshis, 3,000 Satoshis, basically at its all-time high or even higher. So again, that's just a little bit of a side note. And yeah, I think it was just nothing but a glitch. But 10 billion, that's an amazing position. I wish I could have 10 billion tokens, but can't afford that because that's, how much is that? 10 billion Shiba Inu tokens? That's $668,000. Holy smokes. That's a lot of money, man. So yeah. James McNeil, pretty please with a cherry on top. What's that? Pretty please hit the like button, he says. If you haven't already, yes, please smash that like button, guys. Let's get this video out to more people. We have 509 viewers right now, which is mind-blowing. Holy smokes. Man, oh man, oh man. Yo, did you see Meek Mill? I saw him back in the day. Is he back in Shiba Inu now? I know he was. I made like a 2-minute video about it. Was there anything recent about Shiba Inu that he tweeted? I don't know. I just know that he joined the SHIBARMY a while ago, which is pretty dang cool if you ask me. Trina, you're the best. Thank you for the kind words. And Russ at Meek Mill. Marcelino, I'm not sure then. Keep the like up 50% of your pop, please. Keep the like up 50% for your pop. Appreciate you so much, Shad Mox. Man, lots of the elite members. I'm so surprised that you guys all are on this late. I thought I'd be recording it live, maybe a few people in here because it's so late, and then people will just watch it throughout the day tomorrow. But hey, big shout out to the family, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Pop, Bone is down to 99 cents. I did see that, Ned. I'm pretty shocked about how low Bone got. It's tempting to buy right now, but I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with a lot of these crypto assets. Everything's getting hit in the ecosystem and outside of it. So I'm hoping that we start seeing a rally soon, but my goodness. Which Russ, Marcelino? Abu Habibo, man. Thank you so much for dropping another $10 super chat. Bro, that glitch made me 54K in 30 minutes. I had sent 2.4 billion coins 5 minutes before they stopped the deposits and was able to sell at 350% profit. God bless. Wow, really? Abu Habiba, and they let you keep the gains? That's absolutely nuts. $54,000? Man, that's an engineer's yearly salary here in the United States. That's like again, an entry level, a starting salary for some type of engineers. But dang, man, that's amazing. Marcelino says I Saitama Russ. I didn't. Let's check it out. Russ. No, it's Saitama Guru. What's going on? It might be hard to find. Yeah, because I'm going all the way back to September 4th. I'm pretty sure I'm way past it. Crazy town. But congratulations, Abu Habiba. Like that's amazing. And I like your name, by the way. Abu Habiba. The father of Habiba. He says, Omar, liquidity and token buys were added on top of each other. That's why it went up so much from an inside source. Oh, gotcha. Got it. Go to tweets and replies. All right, let's see. Don't let the wolves come get you. Get at me. Wolfpack strong. You already heard the fellas talking about Saitama. Oh, so Russ looks like he responded to me, but interesting. What do we got? Jason DeBrule, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, my man. You guys are always so supportive, so I appreciate everybody that is here tonight. But Jason says, if you own SHIB and don't smash the like button, you're hurting your own wallet. We need exposure. Jason, I appreciate your kind words. And yeah, you guys know, I always say, smash that like button so we can get it out to more people. Because the more investors, always the better. Always the better. And right now we're still in that, believe it or not, if we look at the holders, 658,000 holders, growing every single day. Look, between, if you go back to September 5th, 650, we've gained 8,000 holders in the last 7 days. 8,000 new holders. And wait for the official Coinbase listing. We're going to see so much more than that too. So again, super excited, folks, to see what the short-term future has in store. Super excited. We talked about it. We'll definitely discuss a lot more tomorrow. I'll do an earlier stream. I'm still planning to hopefully stream tomorrow as well. Again, short stream tonight. Just wanted to come in, check in on everyone, see what's going on. James McNeil asks, what's going on with Ryoshi? I don't know. I'm still holding my Ryoshi. What's happening? Ryoshi Vision. Is there any significant price action? Up 12% on the day. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it down significantly though? Yeah, it is. So it's been downtrending a lot. I think again, because there's not so much happening with Shiba Inu, a lot of people and the SHIB holders maybe are also, not a lot of people are maybe unstaking their tokens. There hasn't been a lot of hype and excitement around Ryoshi because again, their tokenomics, the one thing that's really pushing this token forward is the fact that they distribute that SHIB, to SHIB holders, they distribute Ryoshi tokens. So again, outside of that, I haven't really heard much news around the space. So again, still kind of has that meme token vibe. I'm holding, not selling. And yeah, you know, anything could happen with this one. If they come out and say, you know, there's some new use case or anything like that, there could be some significant price action, and that will excite me, of course, as an investor. So yeah, really lots of downtrend, but looks like today maybe it snapped out of it a little bit. Still 1,200. Sheesh. Yeah, it's been on a downtrend. But today, what happened? Wonder what jumped it up so high. This green candle here, all the way to 900. A little bit of a sell-off, but it's holding pretty nicely. So we'll see what happens there. I've not got any bonuses this week. Yeah, I don't know. One thing that's been strange is the development team has been so quiet, right? I haven't seen anything from Satoshi. I need to send him a message. Maybe just check in on the man. Very, very quiet. Let me check in on him actually. I'm just gonna send a message to Satoshi, see if he's doing well. Like, these guys have been so quiet, the main developers. Maybe I'm wrong, or maybe I haven't seen anything from the what is it? I haven't seen anything. Let's see. Let me send him a message. All right, I sent Satoshi a message, so hopefully him and I can get a conversation going. Habiba, again, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, my brother. This is by the way, Habiba is the little dog on my profile picture, and I withdrew everything. All right, right away after I sold, but selling wasn't easy. Had to sell it 2K at a time. Wow, though, that's still so amazing how much gains you probably made. That is absolutely nuts, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Josephine. There's a name I haven't seen in a while. What's up, your pop and the SHIB Army? Josephine, man. How have you been? Haven't seen you in a while. Late night stream. Just come in and say hello to the SHIB Army. Giving updates regarding everything. And yeah, I'm off, Pop. Thank you for the stream. You back on tomorrow? Love you, my man. Shannon C, absolutely, my friend. My friend from Australia? Absolutely. Well, hopefully we'll be back on tomorrow. Not so late, though. I'll be on at a more reasonable time so we can have, hopefully, a decent discussion and talk about our crypto holdings. But, man, Josephine, guys, give it up to hashtag Mr. Joseph. Always coming in to support the channel, support the vision, support the journey. Gotta love it. Man, oh man, oh man. Joseph at Joseph Singer. What's up, my man? We have the two Josephs, Singer and Fane. Oh man. Big shout out to him though. My brother from another mother. The whole SHIB family. Josephine, been busy working, man. Oh man. Yeah, you're a busy guy. But Joseph, you know how much I appreciate your support. So thank you for coming in at such a late night talk. Who knows where you're at right now, if you're in the East Coast, Central, West Coast. But man, appreciate your support. Thank you. You just want to start blushing too. Hashtag Josephine. I love it. 466 people in the chat. Holy smokes. Joseph's paying bills. Exactly, man. That's what we're all trying to do. This week when I was with family and just spending time away from, work, it really just gave me, I don't know. Every time you take time away from work, it gives you perspective where you're just like, man, yes, we do have to work. Yes, we have to pay bills. We have to do this. We have to do that. But man, with the opportunities that we have, and investing, it just pushes you more to say, wow, imagine just getting to hang out with family and friends all the time, becoming an investor, building generational wealth. It's the dream. It's definitely the dream. 110%. Hit that like button, SHIB Army. Yes, smash that like button. Let's get this stream out there to everybody. Branson Miller, 3 billion SHIB holding in Washington, I think that is, WA. Shout out to the family in Washington. Yeah. Let's see, if I wanted to buy Bone right now, I wonder what that would look like. How is the bearing? I haven't even looked at the bear feature. I tried to woof some of my my staked. What is it? If we go to the liquidity pool, that's what I want to look at. The woofable. Let's go to farm tokens. I just noticed that my face is being covered. Just right up here. Let's see. What happens? Bone Ethereum. Here we go. 150 bones. Which, you know, from where it was at $3, now it's went down. If I want to woof this right now, do you know how much I have to pay in gas fees, guys? You're about to be shook. Unless they went down. Holy smokes. $92.42 to woof $150 worth of bone. $92. That's just mind-blowing to me. So for me, my plan and my goal for my holdings, guys, to be 100% honest, is to not touch them. I'm literally not going to touch them till Shibarium comes out. Once we have our own blockchain, that's when we'll start even considering withdrawing. But for right now, I'm just going to keep them in there. I'm not going to wolf any bone to restake because that's just crazy. It brings down your margins significantly. Holy smokes. It's crazy, man. Ethereum gas fees are nuts. I can't get that view on my phone. Yeah, I always use a desktop when it comes to Shiba Swap. I don't know. I tried it on the phone and I was like, not really. Hip hop, I'm here. I'm on here. UMAC 10, welcome, my man. Alf A. Alf A. I said Alf. My main man, Alf. How are you doing? Nadir, no woof for me. Exactly, man. I'm not woofing at all. Toshi is shy. I think bone will sink even more because everyone is staking. More bone equals price drop. True. Yeah, as it mints, that's true. But at some point, there's going to be, it's like, again, that deflationary aspect of it. Because right now it's kind of inflationary because more and more is coming into circulation. But at some point, it will switch to more deflationary once it's all minted. Where it's, you know, or a finite amount. So I think we might see some significant price jump from there. Yeah. Daniel Kerrigan. Sup, Pop? New follower. Love your material, man. Appreciate your kind words. Welcome to the SHIB Army and the Your Pop channel. It's been an absolute fantastic ride. I appreciate your kind words, by the way. But honestly, I'm having a lot of fun with this channel and the videos. Just the feedback that I've been getting across. Appreciate you guys. You all know that, but I gotta keep saying it. Vitalik is cashing out in gas. Yeah. Ethereum folks are making some bank. Because there's so much ERC20 tokens that are popping off right now. So many. I'm doing good. Monzi, what is it? Mon is smoke. Doing good. How about you? I hope you're doing well as well. Hope you're doing well as well. Say that 10 times. Oh, man. But yeah, guys. That's really what I had for you tonight. Short stream. I know we didn't even hit an hour. But I wanted to just make sure we checked in and see how everybody's doing. I'm glad the SHIB Army is all doing well for the most part, it seems. Appreciate everybody's love and support. I've been sharing your videos in Shiba Inu group on Facebook. Nadir, I appreciate that, man. See, people like Nadir, that's the thing, is like, you guys really just create a domino effect. One of you watches the video, then you share the video, and another person shares the video. Like, I've seen what happens on Twitter, and it's crazy how quickly it just gets out there. And I look at my analytics, it's like, oh, within the first 30 minutes, 2,000 people have viewed your video. 4,000, 10,000, 15, 20,000, 30,000 sometimes. There's a video on my channel. Look how crazy things get. Like, I can't, like 1/6 of the Shiba Inu token holders pretty much have seen this video. And potentially, they're not all Shiba Inu token holders. That could be something else. But this one right here, how much will Shiba Inu be worth by 2025? 99,970 individuals clicked on this video and watched at least some of it. 99,000 people. What? That's more than the subscribers that are on this channel. It's just crazy to me. So I love it. That's because of you guys, man. The supporters of the channel, the supporters of the contents, the ones that are coming in and saying first, second, third. You guys don't know how much I love seeing those comments. The excitement that I see, man, it's so much fun. So I appreciate you guys. You guys know that. Tomorrow we'll be streaming at a more reasonable time. Look out for tomorrow morning, confronting Robinhood on Shiba Inu listing. Let's see if they pay attention like Coinbase did. A week later, Coinbase listed. Hey, could it have been from the video? Who knows? About 20,000 people watched it. So maybe it got the attention of Coinbase. Again, who truly knows? But we'll see what happens in the short term here. So again, let's confront Robinhood. Let's get it listed there. The trifecta: WEBULL, Robinhood, and Coinbase. Vibi Vargas, thank you again for the $5, man. I try and share every video on my Twitter. My man, it means the world to me that you guys do that. Truly. SHIBARMY, I appreciate you guys so much. Let's hope to see that significant price jump for the overall crypto market tomorrow morning. I'm hopeful that we see the rebound from this correction. And then again, between now and the end of the year, after these brokerage listings and everything, people still prefer decentralized exchanges over centralized ones. So I anticipate that we will see a lot more retail investors coming into the space after we switch to Shibarium from Ethereum's blockchain due to those ridiculous gas fees. I am not going to pay $90 to wolf 150 bones. No way, no way, no way. Thank you all so much for tuning in, guys. Before you stop and leave the channel, smash the like button at the bottom. Check out the link in the description below. Get your 2 free stocks. Support the channel. Support your pockets. Deposit 1 cent. Would mean the world to me. Thank you all so much. Start trading SHIB at 0 gas fees on WEBULL. And until next time, then everybody, till tomorrow, keep investing. Peace. Take care.